This is Cuzcuzza squash. It's in the gourd family. These pieces, the long ones can grow even longer than this. They hang. This one grows on the ground. Now I'll make a simple recipe. As many ways as you have to cook zucchini, treat the cuzcuzza the same way. The only difference is you must peel this. If you want to know why, Google it. I read up on this, and the reasons why you have to peel it just slipped my mind. But anyway, so I already tried this a couple of days ago. My wife enjoyed it, and it has a distinct flavor, very different from zucchini. And the only problem is you can't buy it locally. I've seen online you could buy it, but this came from someone's garden near me that just has too much stuff. So just like you cook zucchini, you can cook this. And I'm only making this just to saute it, only because I enjoy it that way. I enjoy steaming it. I enjoy zucchini, stuffed. I enjoy zucchini with cheese, but this is not a recipe to really show you anything except what this is. Now I'll heat up the pan and cook that. So I have my skillet ready. It's a large one, and I don't feel like using my coated one. I'm just not in the mood to get it out. Now where's my wooden... Okay, stop fooling around. And I'm putting butter in there because it's handy. Of course that pan is too big, but you know what? I can swirl it around, it won't fly out of the pan. I enjoy using that one. And we have a little, I use the pink salt. And pepper, and really that's it. Actually, I'm going to cook more of this because I just realized this is going to be my dinner tonight. Nothing else. I'm just having squash. So it's seasoned. Oh, the pepper got in my throat. And cover it. This way it won't burn as much and it'll steam cook. And that's it. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Now, the sun is shining on that piece of cuzcuzza, and now you can see why it has to be peeled. You see all the fuzziness on the skin? That's why. That's not edible. It's only been a few minutes, and I don't like mushy zucchinis. I don't want this mushy either. It's still firm. It's a little bit firmer than what zucchini is. So this could take more punishment if you overcook it. So the butter browned a little, which gives it a nice flavor. Nothing's burnt. And that is cooked. Now the next thing I'm going to try and do, not make another recipe for this, but I'm attempting to cut up the other piece because it's so much and put it in a bag and freeze it. and see if it works that way. If it does, then I will add it to the description on this video in a few days. Enjoy.